Hello everyone, we will start off by tying a low ponytail on the hair. Loosen it slightly and then roll the hair in on itself. Add a section in the middle, roll the hair in on itself. Loosen the sides using your fingers. Pin it up using a decorative multiple prong pin. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Divide the hair into two parts as such. Add a rubber band in the middle section of each of these two parts. After this, roll the hair in on itself. Once you are done with this, pull the hair through the top section that you've initially created. Slightly loosen it using your fingers. Add a rubber band to the base of it and another rubber band at the bottom. Roll the hair in on itself and then pull it through the top. Add a decorative multiple prong pin at the top of it all. Add this multi-level clip at the top of the hair and then take a section of the left side, include it into the right side of the clip and vice versa. Make two braids at the bottom and then alternatively clip them up as such. Next, we will start off by taking a section from the left side of the scalp. Now, add another section into it and then begin to twist it in on itself. Include more and more sections of the hair into it as you progress. Continue to do this until you reach the other side. That is, continue twisting it until you reach the other side. Once you reach the other side, make a braid out of the hair and then lift it up, pin it up onto the left side. Use a decorative pin in order to do so. This is what it will look like. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, tie a low ponytail at the base of the scalp. Then divide the base ponytail into two parts, add a rubber band in the middle of each of these sections, roll the hair in on itself. Bend it over and add a rubber band to it. Lift it up and then add a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Use this decorative pin in order to do so. This is what it should look like. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, roll the hair in on itself. Now, make two ponytails on either side of the hair. In the middle section of it, add a rubber band to the hair, pull it through the right side as such. Now, taking the right side of the section of the hair, insert the hair into it and then make a braid out of it. Pin it up after rolling it up onto the left side as such. Use a bobby pin in order to do so. Now, this will be the final look of the hair. You may add a decorative pin at the top of it. Next, we will start off by taking this hair stick, add a ponytail to the hair and then add the hair stick straight through this ponytail. Now twist the hair around this hair stick in order to make it look like a bun. Fasten the ends inside as such. This is what it should look like. Next, we will start off by adding a ponytail to the hair. After you've added a ponytail, leave a small bump at the base as such. Make it into a bun. Take the rest of the hair, divide it into two parts, gather it at the top, and then add a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself as such 2 times. Once you have done it 2 times over, twist it and then wrap it at the bottom bun that you have created. After this, add decorative pins to the top of the hair. You have used a 2-prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and then tie a low ponytail at the base of the scalp. Add another section in the middle. After this, roll the hair in on itself in this middle section, roll it up into the bun, taking the excess amount of hair that is left. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair and then make a small bun out of it in the process of doing so. Gather it together and add your decorative rubber band all around it. Thank you for watching.